students, I hope you all are doing well. In this section of my video, we'll be going through another concept of concave mirror, that is the image formation by a concave mirror while the object is kept at the focus. Observing this case, you will note it down that this case is almost similar to the case 1, that is in the case in which you have kept the object at the infinity. Now let's draw the diagram and observe what happens if you are keeping your object at focus. As you can observe, the basic terminology, the basic mirror portions, you have a concave mirror, the position of pole, focus and center is clearly determined. Now just obeying and following the rules of ray theory, let us draw the ray diagram and observe the position of image. Starting with the very first concept, a ray which is parallel to the principal axis after reflection from the mirror passes through the focus, taking another ray incident and pole. After reflection, it passes below the principal axis. The ray passing through the center of curvature is observed to retrace its entire path. Following all the three rays, we observe that none of the image are seen to intersect at a point. This simply implies that if you are keeping your object at the focus, your image is formed at infinity. Therefore, it is observed that these parallel rays are seen to meet at a very larger distance from the mirror. So, under this condition, the position of the image is infinity. While discussing the nature of image, as we have discussed in the previous section, again the image will be real, inverted. Real images, definitely we will observe that these parallel rays are seen to meeting at an infinite distance or at a large distance from the mirror. So we will say that the image formed is real. Also, the image will be inverted. It is also observed that the image formed under this case is enlarged, but it is not in a viewable angle. So it is not visible to us. So considering this as a case of image formed at infinite position when the object is at focus. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.